Good morning, everybody. It's Ron. I just adjusted at the camera there. We've had too many of the animals putting their butts towards towards you. So what I did is I put a board there about 6 inches out. So hopefully they won't be putting their butts in front of your face and that, and so that everybody can enjoy a leisurely lunch here and that. But I trust that today is going to be a good day wherever you are in the world watching this. In fact, I think it needs to be turned that way a bit. That you have a good day. It's the 10th of March here in Kamoka, Ontario, little dinky little town. And anyhow, the sun's coming up. I don't know if you've seen it behind me there. It's coming up good, and it's going to be a nice warm day, and spring's coming. It's melting. I think my knee's getting soaking wet because I'm in the ice that's melting, but whatever. Have yourself a great day. God bless, and have a good one. I know. Whoa! See what I mean? Wet!